So hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. In this video, we will discuss about our 2-day NPTEL exam preparation roadmap for our course Wildlife Ecology. So we divide our day 1 and day 2 in 3 parts, morning, afternoon and evening, and we discuss about it. So the day 1 is revision plus concept building and day 2 refers to practice plus final preparation. So let's discuss about our day 1. It is for revision plus concept building. So the goal is understand important topics and question patterns. In day first, you have to understand all the important topics and the question patterns. What's the common between our current assignment and our previous assignment? So let's discuss about our day first morning. So in morning, you have to do start with exam buddy rupees 19 exam material. So the exam material link in our description. And next, you have to do study current year assignment questions with explanation. It is in our exam material and mark repeated and tricky questions. So these are the topics in morning routine. You have to do these topics in morning. First is start with exam buddies, rupees 19 exam material, bay link in description. And next is start current year assignment question with explanation. And last is mark repeated and tricky question. And next is afternoon. Afternoon, you have to do two things. First is from the same pack, revise previous year assignment. In second thing, you have to do note common topics, formulas, and short theory points. And the last step of our day one is evening. So in evening, you have to do use practice PDFs from the pack for self-testing. In our exam material, we will give some practice questions. So you have to attempt it and check your performance. And the last is check answers, note mistakes, and make a small revision sheet. And don't forget our 19 rupees material. If you have not bought yet, get the complete NPTEL exam material pack at rupees just 19. It includes all assignment plus practice PDFs plus explanation. So let's discuss about our day 2. So what you have to do in day 2. So in day 2, you have to do practice plus final preparation. So how you practice and how you prepare for final. So the goal is boost speed, accuracy and confidence before exam. So in day second, the morning work is attempt free mock test first and second on the exam buddy YouTube channel. We provide our mock test free, so you have to attempt our free mock test first and second on the exam buddy YouTube channel. And next part is revisit incorrect topic using our 19 rupees material pack. And in afternoon, you have to attempt our mock test 3 and revise weak areas from assignment PDFs and your quick notes. This is the working of our afternoon. So in morning, you have to attempt our free mock test first and second and revisit incorrect topic using our 19 rupees material. And in afternoon, you have to do attempt mock test 3 and revise weak areas from assignment PDFs and your quick notes. And in evening, you have to do attempt our mock test 4 for final preparation and do last minute revision from your sheet and formula list. And the result is in 2 days, you will cover all current plus past assignment, practice PDFs, and 4 mock tests, everything you need to score high in your NPTEL exam. If you cover all these topics, you get high marks in your exam. And don't forget to pay our 19 rupees material. It is very helpful for you. It is limited time offer. It includes all assignment, current plus previous year with explanation, practice PDFs. And the bonus point is we provide 4 free mock tests on YouTube and the link of our exam buddy material in our description and pinned comment. So thank you friends for watching our roadmap.